Hi, I'm Catherine and I'm an embroidery expert. In this video, I'm going to show you some intermediate stitches. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need threads, embroidery hoops, scissors, fabric and needles. We will begin this video by showing you 4 whipped stitches. They are great for adding extra detail to your embroidery piece. To learn the beginner stitches, we have another video which we have linked in the YouTube description. To begin, sew a running stitch. Take your second colour and bring it up through the fabric where you first started. Using your needle, weave it over and under each stitch until the length is completed. You can also use this technique for stem stitch. Back stitch. And chain stitch. This stitch works well on a curved line. You will need 3 guides. Working backwards, bring the needle up at the first point, then insert back into the fabric on the second line at a slight angle. Bring the needle back up to the right of the first stitch on the second line. Insert back through the fabric where the first stitch inserted. Bring the needle back up to the right of the first stitch on the third line at a slight angle. Insert back through the fabric where the first stitch inserted again. Repeat these steps until you've completed the length. This stitch is perfect for creating embroidered leaves. Draw a leaf shape and add a guideline down the middle. Bring your needle up at the top of the leaf shape and back through to create a small stitch. Bring the needle back up to the left of the first stitch and back through just underneath the first stitch. Bring the needle back up to the right of the first stitch and back through just underneath the second stitch. Repeat until you've completed the shape. small stitch to the bottom for the stem. This stitch technique will create beautiful roses that can add a 3D element to your embroidery pieces. Start by drawing a 5-point star. Bring the needle up at one of the outer points and insert into the centre. Repeat until you have done all 5 lines of the star. Bring the needle back up as close as you can to the centre point. Weave under and over the 5 points continuously until they are full. Insert the needle back through the fabric at the end. As an optional finish, you can add a French knot to the centre. This stitch is perfect for creating gorgeous 3D flowers. Start by looping the embroidery thread and pinning to the fabric. In a second colour, stitch down the loop threads at the base. Bring the needle up at the right side of the looped threads and insert back over. Using a satin style stitch, continue until you've covered the bottom of the looped threads. Stitch a small stem in the same colour. Unpin the looped threads and trim to the desired length. Brush out to create the tassels. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next craft project or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments below. See you soon for more videos.